got Chase Mode versus Minecraft.
Just gotta run it out.
Oh, you left lane.
We got Minecraft to the front.
The no traffic glitch real quick. Hold up.
Alright, then we're ready.
We're not lined up any spot. You're just
Fucking needs some door anyways, man.
IOG versus Young.
Line up, let's go.
Cryo bump up. Cryo bump up.
He can't. Zero stage.
Oh. Looks like Anna already got it, but damn, Kyle's
oh boy.
That Camaro might have it. That Camaro might have the lines on the Jeep.
I'm going right.
Let's see.
Doozy with the booty. That's it.
Right lane, baby.
GTR.
Gone. That GTR.
That's that GDR. That's that JDR.
I gotta figure out my GTR still.
Remixing.
929 and just I swear I ain't.
Oh no.
Huh?
Oh, they're remixing.
You're even. I was making sure even.
Okay, super gone!
That's that GDR. That's that GDR.
Y'all ready?
That boy shit bouncing. Yeah, you see that too?
Damn, D3 slipped.
Yeah, D3 slipped. You wrap around.
That's that beamer.
Oh, we found it. Right, sorry.
Yo, hold on.
Yesterday.
There we go. Oh, that's Minecraft.
DJ.
Front.
Minecraft to the front.
Yeah.
I don't know. IOG versus ER.
Oh, Pyrogen. Looks like he's gonna take another win here.
Come on now, TMS to the front.
No, I might spin, but you know what I'm saying? System be against me.
Oh, that's news. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
He got it.
Oh, nah, that's dudes. That's dudes.
Nice.
Oh, yeah, give me a light, King.
All right, with the bottom.
Damn, you slept. You're gonna make that your buyer.
Selling every gear.
Oh,
I ain't gonna lie, whoa, Doozy got Minecraft. Hold on now, Doozy. It's not gonna be an easy one now. Oh, that's dudes. That's little dudes.
He got me all the way.
Dang.
That one got
Oh, yeah,
60
Doozy
foot
got
on
on
it.
I got 10 mil. I got 10 mil on the Pyrogen here. 10 mil on Pyrogen.
Make it a good run, Doozy.
I bet.
come on, Doozy. Let's go. He's gonna pull around.
Looking
Why
like
GTR got the 60, but Big Smoke got the top end.
Oh, it's like yeah, it's cryo.
That's cryo.
That was a good race.
Got convoy number 2, round 1. Thank you versus Devo.
lights, right? Reverse
Yep.
lights.
Yeah, reverse light.
Reverse light.
Say when you're ready. Say when you're ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Oh, he treated a little bit.
He spawned.
He spun.
Oh, he spun.
Yeah, he spawned bad.
Oh, yeah, he trying to drive that whole.
Yeah, I don't have chat, so I'm just letting you.
I was trying to get it up here on that one house.
All right, G5 versus Abyss.
Let me know when you're ready. Yo, can you still hear me?
Come on, please. Come on, please. Oh, yeah, no, you slow, man. Oh, nah, hold on. Oh, nah,
Ah,
wasn't
left
enough.
lane. Wasn't enough.
Damn.
If
Hey,
Buddy
you was
got it.
close, too, though. You was close, bro. Don't feel bad.
Drive-through mics.
All right, Cold versus Flat.
Bro, next bracket should be
Oh, that's cold. Oh, hold on. Maybe not. Oh, that's cold. That's cold.
Got it.
Who got that? I don't know.
Left lane.
Cold.
That's what's up. All right. All good? Everybody good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know why mine's so much heavier.
That's crazy. That's crazy though, bro. Like, why would you? I don't know. That's crazy.
I hit traffic. How do I
take it off again?
One loud.
What?
Well, y'all got money on.
Burst to the front. Big
Hey,
burst.
come on,
Supra
Omar.
versus the
Send them up,
R35.
man. Send them up. You know what I'm
Big
saying?
burst to the front, bro. Hey, can I get
You know what I'm
a...
saying? Yeah,
Y'all got
man.
money on the
yeah,
GTR
man.
or the Supra?
I know,
Y'all got
left
left lane?
Got
Come on,
right
Omar.
lane.
5 mil right, left lane.
Oh, come on, Omar. Come on, hit the jets on him. Oh, he crossed. Oh, yeah, disqualified.
Yeah.
That's Omar to the Omar to the front.
God.
Can we see your live first? Ready.
Booster versus Trey. Ooh. Another GTR to the front.
That boy Trey to the front.
Hey, buddy, you going first, bro.
Yeah, tell him bump in first, man.
They got the hell of trees in a way. What the hell?
Boy, dirty racing, boy.
I'm ready.
Oh, Kung Lao, his tree. Oh, yeah, come
Oh,
on,
he's
Kung
pulling
Lao.
around.
On the right lane,
GTR
baby.
pulled around.
Put on for the
That
super.
boy Kung Lao.
Yours.
We got boosted.
Boosted on the light.
Got Chris versus Debo.
We got left lane.
Ooh.
Oh, he's straight bumper too. Oh, yeah, over with.
Oh yeah, that's Chris.
Over with.
Another GTR. Let's go.
Nah, you good, bro.
Oh, I ain't gonna lie.
Come on,
I
it's
might
all
have to
you,
bet
man.
on. I might have to
I
bet
got
on
right
flat.
lane. I got
I got
right lane.
Yep.
Hold on.
Yeah, right
Hold on.
lane. Nah, it's no coming back.
That's
It's
flat.
cold.
I got Kung Lao.
Kung Lao versus Chris, man.
Come on. Got Jackie Venmo Chan. Let's go.
And who y'all got money on? Yep. 217s.
I got that purple GTR, man. Come on.
Gotta bet on Kung Lao. Got to.
That boy GTR bow-legged, ain't it?
Oh, Kung Lao to the front.
Kung Lao.
He slept on that like too.
Come on, Kung Lao Chan. Let's get it.
Hey, can I get 2 minutes to cool down?
Nah. Heat soak it. You gotta heat soak it.
Hey, you
gotta
might
heat
have to
soak
run
it.
it 3 times back to back, bro.
It's
If you
been
win
hard,
this
bro.
one.
Put height in it. I'm hot lapping, bro.
All right, y'all. Final race for the second convoy. Final
You ain't
race.
got, hold on, you ain't got no methanol injection? Supposed to keep the intake temperature cold, man. Come on.
Who y'all got money on, chat? On the race.
Got right lane, Kung Lao, Kung Lao.
This one, oh,
Oh, he treat him. Uh-oh.
left lane with the tree.
What is it?
Is
Who
the
is it?
GTR gonna come back?
Oh, it's left lane.
That's left lane. All right, we got the winner of the second convoy, Flat Frog. We got the
Appreciate
winner
Flat.
from the first
Thanks, bro.
convoy. Where is he? Cryo Jim. Right here. Come on, Cryo.
Oh, I got to race that AMG thing.
The winner from first convoy versus the winner from the second convoy. Finals. Cryogen versus Flat Cogs. Who y'all got?
Nah. I gotta be biased, bro. I got Gallo.
I gotta bet on my teammate. I got Cryogen.
I can't bet against the GTR, bro.
One more person didn't race. What's her name?
Huh?
You forgot one race.
Oh, that's
Let's
Flat.
come on. Wait, that's the Lowe's? Nah, that's
That's
the
Flat.
Mercedes.
There's the Mercedes.
Bro, that
The
joke
winner
is
of
moving,
the
bro.
Cash
What?
Days Flat Colt
Yeah.
brought the
Joker
W
is
home.
fast, bro. What?
Winner of the bracket.
Good run, bro. Good run, though. Oh my God.
Overall.
Flat.
That flat coat.
He took the W home. But we got the grudge runs right now.
I need to see a picture of that shit. Where that car?
Let me run it. Let me run that Benz real quick in the
Oh,
GTR.
we got a grudge run.
Where you at?
Yeah, that 24 is so quick, bro. That was my
Winner.
second choice.
It's Cryo.
Okay. You said how much?
10 mil.
Alright,
Hey,
bet.
Mac, how much you got? I want all your money, nigga.
Nah, hell no. Come on. Oh shit, I flat. Damn. And you over my lane. I'm gonna report this.
You
shit.
ain't.
Snap.
Chris versus
boy
oh,
Chris to
that's
the
Chris in
front.
front. Didn't get to see the start, but Chris got the dub.
Trey versus KU.
Oh, the right lane.
Holy 60 foot.
Come on, flatline it up, gang.
Get my little grudge
You
rings
ain't
in.
put me on, bro. This is my first time.
That motherfucker move.
Flashlight, let me see boost
Got
it.
the combo that makes it 845.
He ain't put me
Yo,
on.
boost it.
I found this
Flash
car on
your
my
light.
own.
You ready, Banger?
Flash your light. Let me see what you got. All right.
I'm a one-man army.
You ready?
Hey, FL, check DM.
I don't know how you run that weight.
Jeez, bro.
Reviews, Brody.
I go.
All right, we got
we
Musa
got-
versus Omar.
Ready.
Ooh, hold on. How about Omar to the front?
That boy Omar gone.
Mm-hmm.
Run one of these Supra, bro.
Yeah, Doozy caught me slipping in that first lobby, you know what I'm saying? That boy Doozy caught me
let him
off
touch you
guard.
before
I
that?
was like, yeah, he caught me slipping. I wasn't expecting that, you know?
Shit. You gotta expect the unexpected out here.
Yeah.
Let me switch lanes with you.
Ready? Oh yeah, Doozy, not this time.
Just how we got you.
Hey, he caught me slipping in the first one, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Different as hell.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. When I got trailed, yo, that nigga caught me.
Okay. I can see the surprise.
Good run, Doozy, bro. Good run.
Down and drone.
You see, I had to lose so you know my boy Cryo can shine. You know what I'm saying?
He said, that boy spun. He had first gear too spicy. He had first gear too spicy.
Nigga sound just like Omega. That is crazy.
Ooh,
Look like right when he got the light a little bit.
that's big gal.
Yeah, he got me on the light, but I'm pulling.
Ooh,
Good run.
he was trying to raise. Good run, though. Good run.